Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem which is based on time and distance. So the question is, an aeroplane covers a certain distance at a speed of 240 km per hour in 5 hours. To cover the same distance in one complete 2 by 3 hours, it must travel at a speed of. So in this question, we have to find the speed. So first we write what is the data which is given in this question. So speed, which is 240 kilometer per hour, and time, which is equals to 5 hours. So with the help of this data we can easily calculate the distance. So distance equal to speed into time. What is the speed? Which is 240 and time is 5. So when you calculate it become 1200 kilometer. This is the distance. Now move to our second part. To cover the same distance in one complete 2 by 3 hours, it must travel of speed. So now we have to find the speed. So already we know distance equals to speed into time. So speed equals to distance by time. So what is the distance? Which is 1200 and time is 1 complete 2 by 3. So first we convert this into the proper fraction. So 3 1 is 3 plus 2. So this is 5 by 3 hours. So now put the value time is here. So this become 5 by 3. So 1200 into 3 by 5. So when you solve, you will get 720 kilometer per hour. So D option is the correct answer. Like that you have to solve in the aptitude test. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.